Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Gemini AI with Google Drive. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and click on the official website from the results. Once the page loads, locate the settings icon, usually found in the lower left corner, and click on it. From the menu, select Connected Apps. Inside this section, look for the option to enable Google Workspace. Turn it on so Gemini can access services like Google Drive. This step is important because it allows Gemini to interact directly with your files and folders. After enabling it, return to the main interface and start a new chat by clicking the New Chat button. In the chat box, type a command. This tells Gemini exactly what to retrieve from your drive. Click Submit and wait a moment. Gemini will process your request and display the folder link or relevant content directly in the chat. This lets you access files without switching between apps. So that's basically how you can connect Gemini AI with Google Drive. That's it for this video. Thanks.